Welcome back. Today I will solve some problem of continuity. Question number 26. Find the value of k so that the function f is continuous at the indicated point in this. So fx is equal to k cos x upon pi minus 2x if x not equal to pi upon 2 and fx is equal to 3 if x is equal to pi by 2 at x is equal to pi by 2. So now solution of this function. So if x less than pi by 2, now let x is equal to pi by 2 minus h. So now put at x is equal to pi by 2 at x is equal to pi by 2. Now pi by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus h. So cancel out, h is equal to 0. Now left hand limit x tend to left hand limit pi by 2 fx. So limit x tend to pi by 2 fx k cos x upon pi minus 2x. Now limit x tend to pi by x tend to 0, left hand limit k cos pi by 2 minus h upon pi minus 2 into pi by 2 minus h. So limit h tend to 0, k cos pi by 2 minus h is equal to sin h upon pi minus 2 pi upon 2 minus plus 2h. So 2 cancel out. So pi cancel out. So limit h tend to 0, left hand limit k upon 2 sin h upon h. So k by 2 limit h tend to left hand limit sin h upon h is equal to k by 2 into 1 is equal to k by 2. And also right hand limit x tend to pi by 2, left hand limit f x, and limit x tend to pi by 2 plus fx k cos x upon pi minus 2x. Let x is equal to pi by 2 plus x is equal to pi by 2 plus h. Then now put here limit x tend to right hand limit k cos h cos pi by 2 plus h upon pi minus 2 pi by 2 plus h. So limit h tend to right hand limit k cos pi by 2 plus h minus sin h upon pi minus 2 pi upon 2 minus 2h. So minus k upon minus 2 limit h tend to right hand limit sin h upon h is equal to k by 2 into 1 is equal to k by 2. And also f pi by fx is equal to 3. F pi by 2 is equal to 3. So given that function is, since given function fx is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2, so left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f pi by 2. So k by 2 is equal to f here 3. So k is equal to 3 into 2, k is equal to 6. This is value of k. This is answer. Question number 26. kx square, fx is kx square if x less than or equal to 2 and fx is 3 then x greater than 2 at x is equal to 0. So if solution, if x less than 2, so fx is equal to kx square at point at x is equal to 2. So left hand limit is equal to limit x tend to left hand limit fx. So left hand limit fx is equal to kx square. Now x is equal to 2 put here, so k 2 square is equal to 4k. And also when x greater than 2 and at x is equal to 2, so fx is equal to function 3. So right hand limit is equal to limit x tend to right hand limit is equal to limit x tend to right hand limit fx is equal to 3, so value 3. And also fx is equal to at x is equal to minus 2, then fx is equal to kx square. So k into 2 square, f2 is equal to k into 2 square is equal to 4k. Since given function is continuous, therefore left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f2. These are equal at given. So left hand limit 4k is equal to f2 is equal to 3. So k is equal to 3 upon 4. This is so given answer. And also question number 28. Fx is equal to kx plus 1 cos x. If x less than or equal to pi and if x greater than pi at x is equal to pi. So now if x less than pi, so function fx is equal to kx plus 1. If at x is equal to pi, so left hand limit is equal to left hand limit x left hand limit fx. So now fx put here limit x tend to pi fx kx plus 1. So now x is equal to put here k into pi plus 1 is equal to pi k plus 1. And also when x greater than pi and fx is equal to cos x. So right hand limit x tend to right hand limit fx. So now put here limit right hand limit x tend to fx. So cos x. Now x is equal to pi, put here cos pi. So cos pi by 2 plus pi by 2, so minus cos pi by 2, so cos minus sin pi by 2, so minus 1. And also fx is equal to x is equal to pi, so fx is equal to kx plus 1 k into pi plus 1 is equal to k pi plus 1. Now given function is continuous at x is equal to pi, then left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to given function f pi. So now k pi plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So k pi is equal to minus 1, so minus 2, k pi is equal to minus 2. So therefore k is equal to minus 2 upon pi. This is answer. Question number 29. If function fx is equal to kx plus 1, 3x minus 5, point if x less than or equal to 5 and if x greater than 5 at x is equal to 5. So solution: if x less than 5, so function fx is equal to kx plus 1 at x is equal to 5. So left hand limit x tend to left hand limit f(x). So left hand limit x it tend to 5 fx kx plus 1. So now x is equal to 5, put here. So k into 5 plus 1 is equal to 5k plus 1. And also when x greater than 5, so function fx is equal to 3x minus 5. So right hand limit is equal to limit x tend to right hand limit fx. So limit x tend to right hand limit fx is equal to 3x minus 5. Now x is equal to 5, put here. 3 into 5 minus 5 is equal to 15, minus 5 is equal to 10. And fx, value of fx, so x equal to 5 point, so function fx is equal to kx plus 1. So f5 is equal to k into 5 plus 1 is equal to 5k plus 1. Since given function is continuous at x is equal to 5, then left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to given function at point 5. So left hand limit 5k plus 1 is equal to given function f5 is equal to 10. So now put here 5k is equal to 10 minus 1. So 5k is equal to 9. So k is equal to 9 upon 5. This is value of k. This is answer. Question number 30. Find the value of A and B such that the function defined by fx is equal to function 5 if x less than or equal to 2 and ax plus b if 2 less than x less than 10 and also 21 if x greater than or equal to 10. Now if solution of this question, if x less than 2, so function fx is equal to 5 at point x is equal to 2. So left hand limit is equal to limit x tend to left hand limit fx. So limit left hand limit fx is equal to 5. So 5. And also write when x greater than 2, then fx is equal to ax plus b. Now right hand limit is equal to limit x tend to right hand limit fx. So limit right hand limit x tend to 2 fx ax plus b. So now put here 2a into 2 plus b. So 2a plus b. And also given function fx is equal to 5, f2 is equal to 5. Given function is continuous, so left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of given function. Now 2a plus b is equal to 5. Now take equation first. And also if x greater than x less than 10, so given function fx is equal to axb at point x is equal to 10. So left hand limit is equal to limit x tend to left hand limit fx. So left hand limit x tend to fx ax plus b. So x is equal to 10. Now put here a into 10 plus b is equal to 10a plus b. And also when x greater than 10, so function fx is equal to 21. So right hand limit x tend to right hand limit fx is equal to fx. So fx, so limit x tend to 10 positive, so fx is equal to 21. So 21. So fx is equal to 21. So f10 is equal to 21. Left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of given function at point 10. Now we equation first and equation second equation show 10a plus b is equal to f10 21. Now take equation second. Now this equation first as From equation first and second, we get a 2a plus b is equal to 5 equation first, and 10a plus b is equal to 21 now second. Now you can solve. So elimination method, subtracted these, cancel out. So minus 8a is equal to minus 16. So a8 is equal to minus 16 upon minus 8 is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2. Now put a is equal to 2 in first. We get 2a plus b is equal to 5. So 2 into 2 plus b is equal to 5. So 4 plus b is equal to 5. So b is equal to 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So b is equal to 1. So value a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. This is answer. Question number 31. Now show that the function defined by fx is equal to cos x square is a continuous function. Now solution: given function fx is equal to cos x square. Now let gx is equal to cos x and also hx is equal to x square. Now there are two functions. Let f gx is equal to cos x and also hx is equal to x square. Now composition of function GOH. So now GHX. So GHX means x square. Now GHX is equal to cos x square. This is function of x. Since Gx and Hx are continuous function, therefore GOHX is equal to xs is equal to cos x square is also continuous function. all all point all point x belong to R. Question number 32. So that the function defined by fx is equal to cos x is a continuous function. So now solution. Fx is equal to cos x. Now given function fx is equal to cos x. Now gx, let gx is equal to cos x, and also hx is equal to mod of x. So goh x is equal to goghx. So ghx mod of cos mod of x. So g mod of x is equal to cos x, mod of cos x. So this is fx. So since gx and hx are continuous function, so therefore goh x is equal to fx is equal to cos mod of x is also continuous function for all point x belong to R, every real number. Question number 33. Examine that psi mod of x is a continuous function. Show let solution of these question given given function fx is equal to sine mod of x, and let gx is equal to sine x, and also hx is equal to mod of x. So GOH is equal to GHX is equal to GHX is equal to mod of x. So G is equal to sine mod of x. So this is Fx. Since Gx and Hx are continuous function at x belong to R, therefore GOH x is equal to Fx is also continuous function at x belong to R every point. Now question number 34. Find all the point of discontinuity of f defined by function fx is equal to mod of x minus mod of x plus 1. So now this solution given function fx is equal to mod of x plus 1 mod of. Now if x less than 0, so we take a value x less than minus 1. So now take fx, put here fx is equal to minus fx is equal to minus x and minus x plus 1. So now fx is equal to minus 1. So minus x plus x plus 1, so x is equal to 1. Another, if minus 1 less than x less than 0, so value minus less than 1 are equal less than 0. So value fx is equal to minus x and minus x plus 1. So minus x minus 1, so minus 2x minus 1. If x greater than 0, the value of fx is equal to x minus x plus 1. So x minus 1. So x has cancelled out. So minus 1. So given function become fx is equal to so given function fx is equal to when x less than minus 1, the value of fx is equal to 1. And also if fx is equal to minus 1 less than or equal to x less than 0, the value fx is equal to minus 2x minus 1. And also if x greater than 0, then value of fx is equal to minus 1. Now we can solve this problem if x less than minus 1, so function fx is equal to 1 at point x is equal to minus 1. So left hand limit x tend to left hand limit. So fx is equal to fx left hand limit fx minus 1, fx is equal to 1. So value 1. And when x greater than minus 1, so function fx is equal to minus 2x minus 1. So right hand limit is equal to limit x tend to minus 1 plus fx. So limit right hand limit 1 plus, so fx is equal to minus 2x minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And value of fx is equal to minus 2x minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1. So minus 2 into 2 is equal to 1. And also 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, and value of function both these are equal given function is continuous at x is equal to minus 1. So there is no point is discontinuity at x is equal to minus 1. Also if x less than 0, so function fx is equal to minus 2x minus 1. Now left hand limit is equal to limit x tend to left hand limit fx is equal to left hand limit x tend to left hand limit fx minus 2 minus 1. So now put here minus 2 into 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. And also when x greater than 0, so fx is equal to minus 1. So right hand limit is equal to limit right hand limit fx. So limit right hand limit x tend to 0 plus fx is equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 1. And given value x is equal to minus 2x minus 1. So minus 2 into 0, so minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So given function, so left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to given function, these are equal. So function fx, therefore function f is continuous at x is 0. See, therefore there is no point, there is no point, there is function there is no there is no discontinuous function for all point except x belong to R. That's all. हाँ लग जा लाइन में.